So I bet you're going stir crazy right now. Well, I admittedly have to say I am too. That's why I thought, what better time to focus on our goals and intentions for the rest of the year? And today we're going to work on a vision board. If you'd like to get more tips on how to take charge of your love life, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Before we start, let me tell you what a vision board is. It's a visualization tool that helps you set your goals and intentions. And we do that through either cutting pictures out in magazines or doing creative artwork and putting it all on this board with words that set the goals and intentions for us for that year. Studies have shown that we retain a lot more visual information in our long-term memory than we do if we were reading it or hearing a concept, right? So that's why this vision board is so important. So let's get started. And today we're doing a love vision board to manifest your forever relationship. So what you're gonna need is some type of board. I'm using this mixed media book. The pages inside are really thick. It's kind of like, a cardboard thickness. So that's what you want to use. I'm also going to be using some stickers that I found at the 99-cent store. And I got to tell you, they have a wide variety of things for not a lot of money. And you can use it for crafting, art, or a vision board like this. You're going to need to grab some magazines. I only have National Geographic in my house right now, so we'll make do with that. But you can print different photos off from your computer, or just look at different books that you have, or pictures, even personal photos of yourself can work as well. And to add some flair, I'm going to use some markers just so I can add a color and some pop to my vision board. And then I'm going to add some pastels just because I'm a pastel girl. I love drawing with pastels. Besides having scissors on hand, I definitely recommend you have a glue stick. This is going to really help make things easier as you paste things on that board. So I wanted to share with you what pictures to look out for when you are creating a vision board. You really want to search for photos that move you emotionally. And if you're looking for a relationship, there should be photos of couples, photos of families. If all the photos you chose were activity photos where it's an individual person, make sure you throw in photos that are couples doing activities. There's a statement from Henry Ford, if you believe you can, and if you believe you can't, you're right. So that's why we're using the law of attraction to embed and ingrain these images in your mind so that you're setting the intention that this partner really exists out there. So I think it'd be fun if I made a vision board as if I was single, right? What would I be looking for? So we're gonna use this vision board and start with just being a little creative. I'm gonna throw some pastels on it just to get some color on the page. Then I'm going to put some photos that I cut out already on the side over here onto my page. And I'm going to name my board. So I'm going to put a little label in the middle here that says it's a vision board, just to remind myself. So I'm going to grab my images that I cut out of the magazine. The first one here is explore, because I want to explore the world and I love exploring new places, meeting new people. So of course, explore is going to be on my vision board. One of the things I really cherish are my friendships and my quality time with my friends. So this picture signifies girl time, and there's two ladies having a cocktail at an art gallery and just laughing, and to me that is fun. So I'm going to put that on my page now because I'm setting the intention to do more of this. The next photo is a couple. You saw it earlier, the couple that they just look like they're so happy they're gonna have a baby, and I thought, you know what? Let's put this photo on there because I want that bond with my partner. So I'm going to put it right here on this page. So now you can see that there is a meaning behind every photo. There's an intention set, whether it's a word, whether it's an image. That's what I want you to do. I want you to grab images that move you, that light you up, that give you passion, right? and put them on this board. That is your intention setting. Every time you're planning on making a decision and doing something in your life, go back to this board. Does it align with my values on this board? The more things that you do that align with these values, the happier you will be because you're living your life vision. This year, no matter how many obstacles have gotten in your way, you can manifest. I believe in you. Set the intention today. And there you have it, a complete vision board. Yay! This is going to help you accomplish all the goals and intentions you set. And I'll include all the details and supplies I use to create this vision board in the description. If you have any questions, comments, or anything to add, please leave it in the comment section. I do reply. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.